the pervasiveness of unclean data and its consequences in global supply chains is absolutely massive. It's massive for a whole bunch of reasons. First of all, it's a little known secret, probably also to all of you on this call, that the vast majority of world supply chains are essentially run with a piece of cutting edge technology called Microsoft Excel. And some people build some Power BI on top of that, but the data sources are disparate. They are unstructured. They are very often not standardized, as we'll see as we get further into this presentation, exactly how unstandardized data can be. And what that means is a time lag, an inability to have information at your fingertips. And even if you have the data, that doesn't necessarily mean that you can quickly make sense out of it, of them. And to make sense out of the data, you are going to be wasting in mid to large corporations. I'm going to go out on a limb and say tens of thousands of man hours per year, just on massaging bad data into hopefully slightly less bad reports